Meet the VD250 Dry Rotary Vane Vacuum Pump, the high-performance oil-free vacuum solution for industrial heavy-duty applications. Delivering up to 300 cubic meters H-high pumping speed and stable ultimate pressure, it features self-lubricating graphite vanes with zero oil pollution, protecting workshop environments and workpieces perfectly. Built for 24/7 continuous duty, this energy-efficient pump runs steadily with low noise and compact heavy-duty structure. Ideal for CNC woodworking, panel pressing, furniture manufacturing, and centralized vacuum systems, it supports multi-station simultaneous operation, greatly boosting your production efficiency.